Alena, you are the most kind, intelligent, ethical and beautiful person I have ever met.
Today I'm in this special place with the most incredible person in my life. You're the most loving, caring, talented person in the world, and your love has given me a lot of things: happiness, growth, acceptance, inspiration and a lot of adventures.
Come stand with me down under the stars at night. Come look with me from where I stand. You can see most everything, and I've been waiting for the moment to arrive.
You motivate and inspire me. With you in my life, I feel more confident and complete. You have always believed in me. That gives me strength and courage to follow my dreams.
I wouldn't miss it for the world. Stop everything.
I love you deeply and I want to thank you for every minute of our relationship. Thank you for believing in me, thank you for your encouragement, for all the endless interesting conversations we've ever had.
I thought about it, and you feel the push inside. In the fall, there's a cold coming down, and we were waiting for the moment to arrive.
For all the places you've ever showed to me and the breakfast you've ever made. I cannot wait to face many more adventures and do some cool memories together.
And I wouldn't miss it for the world.
I vow to always believe in you. You deserve to be happy, follow your dreams, and live your life your way. Let's make our dreams come true together. I call upon the persons here present
To witness that I, Alena, take the Ilia to be my wedded husband.
to witness that I, Ilia, take the Alena to be my wedded wife, to have and to hold,
From this day forward,
for better for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish.
till death do us part.
Wherever we stand, and I'll follow you.
Alena and Ilia, you have now exchanged vows and rings to honour your love and commitment to each other. It is my greatest honour to announce you as husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.